Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PowerPoint to your Wix website. So first is head over to wix.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next in the left panel, click on Edit Site. This will redirect you to your Wix editor page. So from here in the left panel, click on the Add Elements button, then click Button. And from the type of buttons, click on document buttons, or you can also hover your mouse. Now you can choose PowerPoint or PPT. There are four designs for PPT, so just choose what you like most. And as you can see, to add, we're just going to drag and drop this. So I'm just going to pick this one, drag and drop this on our website. A new window will then pop up, and the only thing that's left to do is upload our PowerPoint file. So just click on Upload Media, and in my case, I'm just going to upload from computer. Next is we're just going to select our PowerPoint file, then click on Open, and from here, we're just going to proceed by clicking on Add to Page. Now that our PowerPoint is added on our website, whenever users or viewers of your site click on this specific button or link, your PowerPoint file will then be downloaded. To finalize everything, click on the Publish button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!